This right here from MAC, the 24-hour extended eye base. I've been using this for probably 20 years now. I'm a fan of affordable makeup. I use Catrice, I used Essence, Maybelline, L'Oreal, all of those. I do have MAC in my professional kit. I've been doing makeup for over 20 years now, as well as nails and skincare, because I do own a small salon and that's what I do. I have an absolute passion for women and to uplift and empower them to know their worth and to understand who they are and to rediscover their identity. I just did some exfoliation with my Medicube exfoliating pads, collagen serum, as well as a collagen eye cream. And next, before I do anything else, I'm going to add this primer. This on brides, it lasts the whole day. Nothing creases when this is on your eyelid. If you have a slightly more mature skin, this does absolute wonders. Just apply it with my finger. Eye makeup, it doesn't move. I am an almost 47-year-old beauty salon owner. I'm a qualified dermatologist. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I live in South Africa. Today I'm just wanted to introduce myself, especially if you're new here. I don't do a hectic brow routine most of the time. I use this from Maybelline Superlock on a day-to-day basis. I don't really do a primer. I find my skincare sufficient. Today I'm going to actually start with my blush. I am just going to start blending that out. Start higher up and blend it out and around so that the bulk of it's up here. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Holiday Skin from Catrice on the back of my hand and then buff it out a little bit. This is just the Catrice Glam Filter Stick. I just find that it really gives a nice glow to the skin. I absolutely love this, and it also has a bit of color to it, so it already starts giving you a little bit of coverage, and it has that nice blurring effect. Simply blend all of that out a little bit and just sort of press it into the skin. Always gentle around the eye area. Essence concealer, and I'm going to roll some onto the back of my hand, and with a small brush I'm just going to work some into my brush. Yeah, my lighting is strange today because it is such an overcast dark day. To give a bit of a lift, and I also just start covering with just a little bit that's on my brush, and I just dab that onto the eyelid. You can already see the difference. Very little product on my brush, and I just blend this out a little in these little folds here. Blend that out because we want it to look less deep. A little bit on the forehead. L'Oreal True Match. It's a nice light serum foundation and it does have a stunning finish, and I don't use a lot. Take a bigger fluffy brush, so work that lightly into the brush, and with light pressure I'm also just going to start just stamping this along, and lightly, ever so lightly, I also go right over everything that we've done. I'm really not dragging, not hectic pressure at all. It's like a feathering and tapping motion, and I don't use the foundation over the concealer. It's not necessary. The soft blur from Catrice, it does have a slight pink tinge to it. Before we set anything, we're going to check, is there any creasing here that we need to buff out? I think that is settled into these lines. I honestly do love this technique. It really works so well. So then I just take my powder and I just go around the eye area where I did put my concealer, and I just stamp that in, and I also go over the eyelid. Just the smallest amount is more than enough for this area. You can see, really it's perfect. Honestly fine if you literally just press it in like that, not a lot. You still get an even coat on your powder puff, but there's very little on it, and you just start setting your face from the bottom up nicely into those lines here. Avoid the under eye area and just go all the way across, and your forehead is more than sufficient. Skin really still has a beautiful glow. I'm just going to do some powder bronzer. This is the butter bronzer from Essence Almond Butter. I'm just dabbing it, starting from the hairline above the ear and just slightly bringing it down and then onto the forehead and into the hairline as well. I'm going to use some MAC today. I took this out of my kit. It's called Prism. Don't even know if they have it anymore. This one's quite old. Let's just put that one on, and it slightly overlaps with the bronzer, and we just start blending those. You can build it up until you have the intensity that you want. The Face Studio Strobing Stick from Maybelline, cream highlight, and then I do like to put it just here on the apples of the cheek and slightly up where you see, wherever you see the natural light coming through, then you can go and enhance that on the tip of the nose. And I love to just gently sweep it across the Cupid's bow. It's the finished base makeup. We'll be doing the eyes in the next video as well as the lips. Feels very good on the skin.